Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, PJ's Coin Capers, and today we're going to be looking at a 50-cent coin that can be fairly regularly found in circulation, but there is an error with this coin. And so what I want to show you is a regular 2001 50-cent coin. Now this is the Federation coin, so they all came out looking like this, other than the specific state coins, which I have shown you in previous videos. But today I wanted to highlight something to look for in relation to this particular coin. Now, this particular coin, I think the mintage was somewhere around the 5 million, or possibly more. So it's fairly common to find this particular coin, but to find the error I'm about to show you is somewhat more difficult, and you don't come across them very often at all. So something to certainly look out for when you're looking through 50-cent coins. So what I want to show you today is this is the normal coin, and I'll show you in a moment one of the coins that have been affected. But what I want to show you specifically is this here, where Australia in 2001, there's a fat letter version. So what that means is that when the die has been breaking down, getting towards the end of its life, little chips and begin to break off the die, essentially, so that the lettering becomes fat. So this is how the lettering should look, and it's nice and straight and square and easy to read, and the holes in the A and the R and the other A's are nicely visible, and you can clearly see that it is well defined. So if I show you one of these other four here that I've got here, you can see here that the lettering has certainly got a lot fatter, and it's only really happens on one side of the coin that the die must have been breaking down, because Elizabeth II looks fairly normal. Obviously this coin is well circulated, but still you can read Elizabeth II quite well. But if you have a look at Australia on this one and the 2001, you can certainly see how fat the lettering has got there, and the holes in the A seem to be somewhat filled almost, just because of the breakdown of the die. So I don't know if these guys actually have much value, but who knows, one day in the future they might be highly sought after, so well worth keeping. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. There's a few other examples I've got here. You can just sort of see the differences between them all as the die was breaking down, but you can sort of see some doubling on the top of the Y there, of the U there. See, I've got another example here. Probably not as bad as the first two I've shown you. And this one here. So there's four examples, and I'll just bring this out a little bit, and I'll bring the normal one in, and you can compare just how much of the die has broken down there. You can see just how fat those letters are. So this is certainly one to keep an eye out for, guys, and as you're going through, fairly easy to spot and pick up as well. So just wanted to bring it to your attention, and something worth looking for. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and I look forward to bringing some more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.